Welcome to the McCurdy Outdoors YouTube channel. Today we're out in the garage and we're gonna go over some items that I always carry in the RZR. I guess your everyday carry or every ride carry. Anyway, I'll start off saying that most everything you see on the table here is either on my person or in this black and gray action packer. I do keep a few items in various other places, starting with the fire extinguisher mounted on the roll bar, same with the jack. Come along to the cab. I do keep a strap and a couple shackles down here by the battery. I did pick up this Tusk off-road bag, sits there in the center, and I keep a couple items that are easy to get to, mostly cameras, maps, flashlights, etc. I also have a GoPro mounted there in the middle, and over there in the glove box I keep a few items along with my phone mount, which has worked out surprisingly good. It rotates a little bit and I've enjoyed it thus far. So I'll just go left to right. First and foremost is the belt, probably the most important thing you should carry. Next, this is the tool for the jack, so you can spin it up. Jumper cables, you never know. I haven't bought a self jumper yet, so I guess that's the next best thing. At least I can help someone else, or if someone comes along, they can, I at least have jumper cables so they can jump me. Set of big zip ties. I think there's various sizes in there. A couple ponchos, tire iron, not necessarily for me, but for maybe somebody else. Fire starter. Another strap, I believe that's 20 foot with just loop ends. Life straw, 550 cord, and small bungees. Air compressor, big bottle of water. I usually carry more water in the cooler, but I don't always take the cooler. That's just, I guess, a fail-safe. Ratchet strap, socket set, e-tool, tire plug kit, folding saw, couple crescents, screwdriver, socket with extensions, and the key to get my wheels off. Gorilla tape and electrical tape, and then of course helmet, goggles, gloves, and the 2 cameras I use. In the center console I also bring a couple maps from different districts. I do need to keep collecting them. I've only gotten 2 so far. Headlamp, flashlight, tire pressure gauge, binoculars, and a way to charge my phone and cameras. And then in the glove box I generally carry Polaris OEM manual, the OEM kit, along with my registration and insurance, bottle of sunscreen, and a first aid kit. Other than that, I believe this is a pretty good starter kit. I know I want to change a few items, add a few items, but if you're just getting into the sport or going out on a long cruise, it's not a bad idea to overpack than wish you needed it back there. Anyway, I hope you guys all have a good day. Peace out.